So what are you doing with your vertical steel install with your Dincel? So I'm doing an installation now, and the Dincel install manual wants you to put the little clips on when you're doing vertical steel after your horizontal. Example of it's over here. These taking us about 3 minutes a bar to put 3 clips on, and then you put them into the wall over here, and it keeps it off the wall. If you don't do that and you just throw your steel in like that, when the concrete goes in, it could be sitting there against the wall, and you don't get your engineering requirement for your 25mm concrete cover. So I've literally just something worked out now. Let's have a look at this. I'll thread the first bar in, come down, and I know halfway I'm going to try and push that out of the way, and then that's 10th bar, and then I'll pull it back. Okay. Now I've got my bar with just 2 bars holding it in place, so now I've got my 25mm cover either side, and it took me 30 seconds, something like that. What are you guys doing with your vertical steel?